So my friend Uber dropped by in the morning. He's at the Sri Lankan Navy right now and he's in the Wilpattu camp. We were together at KDU. He was my batchmate there. And we were the two guys who always sat at the back row and did our own stuff instead of listening to any of the lectures. Especially in the last couple of years, we both had like one book for all the subjects. So anyway, he dropped by in the morning and we took apart his MacBook Pro for no reason at all. Just fun. This is Uber. Oh my goodness. We're just gonna clean this up. It's like super dusty. Look at this. This is definitely gonna end bad. Removing the back panel is one thing, but taking apart all the components inside, it's not a good idea. The laptop worked, surprisingly. Now we have to grab some food, and he's leaving to Kurunegala tonight. So this competition called SS12 Asia is happening today. We were participants like 2 years back when it was held in India. This time around it's happening in Sri Lanka and it's at NSBM, and we're gonna go and check it out today. I'm inside NSBM. This is my first time like being inside. I've come here to drop my brother off like a couple of times studying here. Looks pretty dope so far. And this is Prince.lk, which is my friend's startup. See that for the introduction happened. Why should people use Prince.lk instead of other normal printing services?
Well, yeah, so basically what we offer you is convenience in terms of printing. We want to simplify the whole process. So we have a website where you can simply upload whatever you want to print and we just deliver it to your doorstep.
Exhibition is quite good. Check out Prince.lk. Also, NSBM looks really nice. Like, look at this. And you won't believe this. My friend who lives next door, Clevin, he wants to clean his laptop as well, which is MacBook Pro, and he wants the screws, which are with me, and he wants me to throw the screws to his place. And he has a cable which I need. He's gonna throw it back. Clevin? Are you behind, right? Are you here? Dude, can you see my torch? Yeah, just throw it. I'll and now? Okay. Okay, got it. Alright, I'm throwing in. Got it? Got it, right? Okay, see you. Good night. That's it for the vlog.